Hey everybody, this is Jolie for another Town of Salem video, and it's gonna be great! Let's play! Alright,
No.
Play classic, or should we go for a custom game? We haven't done a custom game yet.
Let's try custom!
Custom! Invite your friends.
I know Chad prefers custom, so we should give one home.
I like when everything is random so you can never tell who anybody is.
Nah. Well, someday one of us is going to be the host, and then the shit
Then
will
we'll
hit
show
the
them what
fan.
for.
Yeah!
And you're gonna get a punch in the snoot.
Right in the snoot. Yeah!
Yeah.
Tormental, you're pending? You're pending.
I was busy watching the list to see Lithiux never joining.
Zip up your pants.
What?
Nope. My pants don't got a zip. Wearing shorts.
So, any updates with that one kid who stole your shit?
Oh, he stopped, basically.
Yeah. The kid I caught going out the bathroom window with my shit.
Yeah, you can't even call him. You can't even call him the guy, can you? The kid.
What a kid.
How old was he?
16.
16, he said. And I don't want to start any more crap up just because of the annoying factor, so I won't say that much about it. But
Yeah, I am recording.
Supposedly is over.
Oh, well, we should restart then.
Boing.
So that there's no...
No, there's no reason to restart. It's fine. We're fine. We're friends.
Everything's fine.
Well, we have time to restart.
Everything is fine.
Okay.
DMY, Justin.
Start.
Oh, no, you're not the host. This looks like the exact same setup as Classic. I wonder why if we're not in custom.
Are we not in custom?
We're not in custom, but that's
I hit
right.
custom, I swear. Oh, man. See, it's
Are we leaving?
See, it's embarrassing because I don't want to...
See, now you have to restart for sure.
No.
Oh,
No. No.
might as well just go with it.
No.
Sorry,
Oh.
Chad, we'll do custom another time.
We'll try to do custom.
Alright, so we're all picking names that cannot be spotted, is that correct?
Very well.
But then as soon as we start typing, you'll be like, oh, that's Justin, or that's Jolie, or that's Chad, or that's me.
We'll all type in different accents.
Oi, mate! Pippin, cheerio!
Oh, I reckon she's an escort. Oh! Hey, mate, I saw you visit. Oh, wait, no, that's Australian.
Oi, mate!
I saw you visited last night in Slap-a-Dingo, you know what I mean?
Good lord.
Maybe the dingo ate your baby.
Oh.
Jar of mayo.
Dr. Falafel. I like that.
I bet Tormental is just Mo. Sorry. Calling you out. It's definitely just you, isn't it? It's not too
Damn
late to
it.
pick a new one.
Damn it. Kill SpongeBob. Oh, I hate this roll. Last video of the night and I get a crappy roll.
Owned.
Oh, well, looks like medium found.
Let's see, we got Zelda, kill E SpongeBob, Dr. Falafel, Haruhi, Hikaru, Kaoru,
Hey.
Grandmother.
Oh. Oi.
I'm dying.
I don't think Dr. Falafel is a real doctor.
Well, he's a doctor of falafel. He knows.
Wait, I thought we had Tormental in this.
He changed his name because it was too obvious that it was about. Second's name.
You can change your name?
Yeah, if you type in another name when it's still asking for names.
Oh, wow, I didn't know that.
Pedo Bear.
Who died?
Who shot who?
Wait, who died? Yes.
Who was killed last night?
Who shot you?
Whose role was escort?
Mm-hmm.
Should really find out.
Jail
God
or
damn it,
God, you
Hikaru.
jail anyone. Who died last night, guys? What the fuck is wrong with you?
Jar of mayo. A.
Jarameo. Do 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 do. Everybody's so quiet.
Na, na,
Will they-
na, na, na.
Will they find
I
out
don't
that's
want to
me?
give anything away. Like, I'm tired of.
Uh-oh, Jane Dope. Who's here? Who here is Jane Dope? Is it Jolie?
Damn it!
Nah.
Smoke it if you got it.
Or-
Whoa.
Oh wait, I get it. It's like a weed joke.
Oh ho.
Maybe it's Janita P.
No. Shut up, Stephen the giraffe.
Stephen the Giraffe?
Zach.
Yeah.
Zach is one of us. Zach is one of us.
I think somebody here has to be... Chad, are you Pedo Bear?
Zach.
I am not.
He's a Lego maniac.
One of us is Zach because they did the wrong EOR on purpose.
You seem to know an awful lot about that.
That's my gimmick.
Well, exactly. First you're Jeff, now you're Zach.
I already did my random name for the night. I actually usually use Dan. I don't know why.
Doo-doo-doo. So serial killer is already gone. Is that one of us?
Nope, not me.
No,
Is who
I
with us?
wasn't actually Jane Dope. Because
It
that's
was
a stupid name.
It was a ruse.
Link and Zelda. And a jar of mayo. Are some people here mafia?
Statistically speaking, probably. Gotcha, bitch.
Gotcha, bitch. Gotcha, bitch.
Big man picking on a jar of mayo.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Jar of margarine.
Murdered your wife. You're murdering your wife. You weren't beautiful. Oh.
You. What were you?
No, don't say that, Charmaine.
What?
Doctor. Hey, are you from that clinic?
The Mayo Clinic.
Sing. Yes, vet. What?
Well, sorry, Link.
Grandmother.
Sorry for lying.
Hello.
Sorry for putting lye on your hand and then kissing it, or whichever order you do that.
Oh dear.
You lick your hand, I thought. Or you
Yeah,
lick
you're
your
right.
lips, and then
Because it binds.
and then it's all wet, and then you pour lye on it.
I feel like Chad has to be Pedo Bear.
I'm not Pedo.
Seriously, guys, I'm not. God.
Oh, Pedo Bear.
Better name than that.
I'm not Pedo Bear, he said, eating a falafel.
Nom nom nom.
Solid alibi there. The falafel gave it away.
I do want a falafel. I should go get one.
Goodbye, Zach.
He's a Lego maniac.
Zach is a Lego maniac?
Yeah. It's the name of the guy from the Lego cartoons in the 90s. Zach. He's a Lego maniac.
Zach.
Zach.
I'm dying. This is the end.
You dying?
This is the end.
Were you
You're
Zach?
Yes. No, I was you the whole time.
Oh no.
Are you really Zach? Posing as me?
No. I'm not Zach. Sorry.
Oh, he was Tormental.
Damn it.
Get revenge for me, Tormental. I was
I
Jar
clap.
of Mayo.
I clap like adorable seal.
Oh, adorable.
I'm.
It's so fucking bad and stupid.
I enjoyed
love
it.
Great accusation, Killies. Who do I kill? I'm gonna try not to kill one of you, which is interesting because I have no idea who you guys are.
You're not gonna get me. I guarantee it.
Okay. I think Jolie might be Haruhi because she was already that once.
I was?
Yep.
No, she was Hikaru-san.
Yeah, exactly.
Hikaru again.
Yeah.
Same diff. Same
You're
thing.
You're mixing up your weird Japanesey names.
That's the same thing. America.
America.
Yeah.
I don't speak Spanially.
Spaniale. I don't speak Spaniel.
I speak Cocker Spaniel.
Many deaths.
Head a bear down.
Poor little guy.
There's so many jokes you could make, but I don't know.
They're all bad. Just wanted to take a poo.
Oh, good lord. Damn it, Justin.
I was Jar of Mayo.
Uh-huh.
You're all of these people.
Uh-huh. Yeah, ever since he heard about having more than one window open.
Killer SpongeBob.
It's all just a game full of me.
Ever
Like, I wonder who the killer is.
Zalata.
Ever since he learned about margarine, he's been obsessed with condiments.
Can't get enough. Mm. Jar of Mayo strikes again.
Now we know why he associates it with strawberries.
Could you imagine, like, a killer jar of mayo, though? Like,
yeah, that would be weird.
yeah, like, you'd be, like, sitting in your apartment or, like, your house at night, and all of a sudden you hear something in the kitchen. It's slow and quiet at first. Like, somebody rustling, like, through your cabinets, and you go to investigate, and it's just a jar of mayo with, like, a butcher knife sitting on the lid.
Ooh,
Did I just give you
Yeah.
chills?
that's it.
Well, like, you're like, oh, it's just a jar of mayo, and I somehow left a butcher knife out. And then the mayo just... Yeah, actually, yeah, that's it.
Oh.
Oh, dear.
You'd,
I was
got
thinking
nothing.
when you said a killer jar of mayo, I was picturing like a mayo jar sitting on the sill in the sun, and it just periodically looks over at you and shakes its little fist. Like, just wait.
ah!
Just wait. A
I'm
little
gonna
while
get
longer.
ya.
I'm almost there. So yeah, I'm a pretty good jester. Stephen the Giraffe.
The
It's
giraffe.
kind of suspicious. It's kind of Jolie-ish.
So-
Giraffes
I
and
do li-
alpacas are
I
related.
do like giraffes, but they are not related to alpacas.
Yes, they are.
Nope.
Giraffes are alpacas that had to look at something far away.
Nope.
Yep.
No, not.
Booty booty poppin'.
Jester! You're my favorite role!
That's true.
After maybe Executioner, because you have two different things you can try!
God damn it, Jolie.
Is Jolie the killer?
They're
No.
both mafia.
Not
we're
mafia.
Did you know who it was?
I suspected.
Okay. Just so many garbage players. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for snapping.
This game is too serious.
What happened?
That's always my giveaway. Are you though?
What is NS?
No
That's
strings attached.
That's NSA.
Why are you snapping? Stop that.
Believe me, I have an active FetLife account.
I believe it. You seem whorish.
Thanks.
Ghost chat is a laugh a minute.
Shut up, Karu.
Huh? Boy. Chad says they just kill me off instead of taking advantage of me. Well, I didn't realize you would have preferred that.
So we've got 3 town versus executioner / jester and 2 mafia. See ya, Karu.
Karu!
This should work. Yep, there we go.
WTF, guys!
No, not Karu!
I'm medium, guys!
I'm medium, guys.
Well, night. Night 12 in the town of Salem house, and Karu and Karu, or something.
Are they banging in Ghost Chat?
They're banging in Ghost Chat.
Sweet.
I thought that Chad was dead.
No, I'm not good.
Oh, I thought you were Steven Dodge Giraffe because
No.
when you said something about Jolie knowing it was you, I thought it was the person who died then.
Well, shit.
Oh, darn. What? Sneaky laugh. Oh.
Sneaky.
I love you more than a brother should.
He really was medium. Welp.
Oh well. Well, the other one said they were medium too, so.
Okay.
Here's Karu's comment from Ghost Chat. All caps, stupid fucking jailer.
Guilty.
Whatever. Alright, so we know who we are, but I think it's over. Unless we figure out which ones... Alright, well, let's see what these 2 are.
Jesta.
Well, we're fucked.
How do you know?
So wait, who is left right now? The Godfather? the
2, yeah, Godfather, Mafia, and us.
If only we had been playing custom, none of this would have happened.
I'm out of alerts, too, so...
Aw.
Alright, so Haruhi and Hikaru. One of them, I'm just gonna jail either one of them and kill them.
Wait, I thought you were
What'd you think?
Zach.
Nope,
Nope.
What?
that was a lie.
This game keeps on throwing curveballs.
This game keeps throwing curveballs at me because I'm not paying attention.
Shut up. I died in like 2 rounds every single time. I'm like the new you.
I was Zach, and I said before I hung, or I'm Jester, Tormental out.
I forgot.
So,
I don't really care, Zach.
my will was signed Tormental.
You could have been lying. That
And
could
I
have
got
been
to
any
Ghost
Tormental.
Chat, and I said, "Hi, Justin, it's me, Tormental."
I don't. I feel like that could have been anyone saying hi to Justin with the name Tormental.
If I wouldn't have burned my alerts, we'd have a chance.
Mm.
Because I was trying to bait him into coming after me, but... I think it's over.
It's all
No
over.
fapping.
Just
Oh.
accept your fate.
Just let it happen.
Do I have a Goodwill? I like it, but I don't know if you guys like this one or not.
Not the best. But
It's kind of an older
You giving
one.
us G-listed stuff?
Yeah,
Wow. Not your best game, Chad.
I know. Yep, I'm dead.
Oh,
If I would have had an alert left, we could have won.
booty popped.
yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Pop that booty.
Good. Good. So what happened with this supposed jailing?
Oh, I forgot.
I didn't get a chance to read all that. Your wills are too long. Go back and pause the video. Veteran. I'm made of egg whites, says Jar of Mayo.
I'm delicious in small quantities. Agreed.
Let's lynch Doctor. Sorry, Doctor, but bye-bye. Sound good?
No, it's Bye Bay. Bye Beyblade.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. Oh, so Rye, Doctor, but bye, Bay. Ooh.
I'm just gonna weekly vote for one of them.
Chad is getting told in Ghost Chat.
What?
Chad is getting told in Ghost Chat.
Uh-oh. What's they saying? What are they saying?
Being told.
Somebody said go back to... Oh, wait, no, that's
Talking
Zelda.
to Zelda. Yeah.
I was thinking, I thought he was calling you princess on a completely unrelated
No.
insult. Chad says, shut the fuck up, idiot. And she says, why or he or she says, why should I? No debate about the idiot comment. Stud.
Wait, so...
Chad, what is a boring garbage poster?
Well, I mean, not really posting when you're in chat, but, like, if this was a forum, they would be making really shitty posts.
Yeah.
Oh, you can't make me physically shut up! God damn it.
Jeez.
Shut the fuck up!
Don't get
Chad
you
will
mad. They're
re-kill you.
12. There's no reason to get mad because they're
I'm
12.
I am mad at 12-year-olds.
That was a very sad will.
I forget what it was. Hikaru medium?
We lose.
I'm dying.
So not knowing who each other is had no effect on our ability to win. Except for me. I won, though. That's
Good
actually
job.
true.
You're the greatest.